this way, please. Here is our jaw crushers. We have 3 types of jaw crushers: P series, PEW series, and the C6X series jaw crushers. For the PE is the traditional jaw crushers. Now here in our exhibition room, we just showed the PEW series and the C6X series. No matter which series in our exhibition room, both we have the hydraulic systems. There is our PEW hydraulic jaw crusher. What means for the hydraulic? Hydraulic, it means that we have the high technology hydraulic adjustment system to adjust the final product size, and hydraulic lubrication system. Lubrication system means that we have there are many gear and some parts in the machines. We need to push the oil or the gears into machines to make sure the machine is working good. So we have the hydraulic lubrication systems. We don't need our workers maybe for 1 day or 2 days push every time, maybe take 30 minutes or 1 hour to push the gears. We have the lubrication system. We just have one small box, and the worker just push the burner. It just takes 10 minutes or 20 minutes. It's finished. It's very convenient for the workers and for the customers. And here is our C6X Jaw Crushers. This is for our new technology. And the biggest capacity, this model can reach 1,000 tons per hour. Now there are many Chinese customers, because now Chinese government is asking for the high capacity machines. So many Chinese customers using these machines, and also some overseas customers are looking for this type. I will introduce what's the main points. Here you see, this one is a special designs. For other machines, we need to make the foundations. Foundation, we have 2 types, the concrete foundation and the steel foundation. Yes, no matter which types of foundations, we have this part. So just to make sure the base is strong enough and put on the top. So no need to make the foundations. For example, for the Africa customers, they have many, the concrete and cement is very expensive, and sometimes it will take long times to prepare it. So use these types, we can reduce the foundation times. And here, this is like the polyurethane, and this is a soft connection. There's no much noise. And this yellow colors, this is also hydraulic adjustment system to adjust the output size of the jaw crushers. And what's the main points is, here you see our motor is installed together with the jaw crushers. In this way, we can save the machine's base. And here, we have the covers. This cover is for the wheel. Jaw crusher have the wheel, two sides have the wheels. We have the covers to protect. When the jaw crusher working, the wheel is working. It's fly, and the RPM is very. For example, maybe for 200-ton jaw crusher, the RPM is 200 and 220. It means that it's working very hard. Maybe some workers need to check some parts. He will go out or go top of the jaw crushers. We have the covers can protect the workers out of dangers.